Saw your question on discussion board. A picture might help, but I believe you have secant of theta equals 7.7. You want to solve this, and it must be in degrees, 0 to 360 degrees. So put in your my calculator. I'll go ahead and convert to cosine. Secant theta is reciprocal cosine, or no cosine. And I took the reciprocal each side. So I switched to reference angle. Theta prime would be the inverse cosine of 1 over 7.7. Start to do it in radians, but remember it's supposed to be in degrees. So theta prime would be 82.5 degrees. What quadrants is cosine positive in? Quadrants 1 and 4. So we're talking about a reference angle of 82.5 degrees in these two quadrants. Well, in quadrant 1, theta and theta prime are the same, so one answer is 82.5. Then quadrant 4, here's the reference angle. We got to find this angle here. So it'll be 360 minus the reference angle, which comes out to 277.5 degrees. Hope this helps.